Hello friends and welcome. Here I am with another video, and this video is going to be on the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. And for a 3 cross 3 matrix determinant, we must know about the minor of an element and the cofactor of the element that we have discussed in our previous video. Hope that you have learned the method to find the cofactor and the minor of an element. So in this video, we are going to apply the determinant, how to calculate the determinant. So friends, when you know about the minor and the cofactor and understand the concept of finding the minor and the cofactor of any element, we can easily find the determinant of a matrix. And the determinant include expanding of the matrix by row or by column. That means you have to expand that matrix by row or by column. It is your choice. You are going to expand by row or by column. So I am going to use the row method. Suppose I am going to expand this matrix by the first row, that is 0, 1 and 3. For this, I have to first calculate the cofactor of each and every element in this row. So I have 3 elements in this row, that is 1, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. So I am going to first calculate the cofactor of these 2 elements. So let's start the solution. So for the cofactor of first element, that is, we have to, I have just gone through the formula, that is minus 1 into the power of the number of row and column, then the minor of the number, and we have and we just get the concept. If the sum is even, then the cofactor is equals to the minor, and if the sum is uneven, that means the cofactor is equals to the minor, negative of a minor. So for this, these are 1 plus 1 become 2, so that is an even number, so the cofactor become the minor of these number. And we are going to calculate by calculating the minor, and for minor we have to remove the row and the column, that is first row and first column. So the element left behind, removing first row and first column, we have 2, 1 and 1, 1. So we're left with 2, 1 and 1, 1. So we are going to calculate the determinant over here. For determinant, 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1. So A11 becomes 2 ones are 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. So here I have calculated the cofactor of the first element. Now going towards the cofactor of the second element, that becomes 1, 2, A12. And here 2 plus 1 becomes, 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So 3 is an odd number. So the power become odd and the number remains negative. So it is equals to be the negative of the minor of the element. So A12 is equals to the negative of the minor, and we are going to remove the first row and the second column, that is this row and this column. We are going to left with minus 1 here, 1, then 2 and then 1. So A12 is equals to minus, and we are going to apply the formula, minus 1 into 1 and then minus 2 into 1. So here minus 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1, and minus 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Here 1 into 1, positive 1, minus 2. We are going to add the sign at the last. So that is minus 1 into, minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3, and this symbol is going to multiply with it. So it becomes positive 3. And now we are going to calculate the cofactor of the third element. So here we are going to calculate the last cofactor, that is cofactor of 1, 3. And friend, 1 plus 3 becomes 4. So it is the positive of our minor, that is 1, 3. So for the minor, we have to remove first row and the third column. So these are the remaining element, that is -1, 2, 2 and 1. So we are going to calculate the determinant. Here it becomes -1 multiplied by 1, then -2 multiplied by 2. So here it becomes -1 and here it becomes -4. So the answer is -5. I have calculated the cofactor for the first element, that is 1, the cofactor of the second element, that is 3, and the cofactor of the third element, that is 5. Now we are going to apply the determinant, and I'm going to expand it by the first row. So it is going to be a determinant. Sorry, let's write it with a different marker. A determinant equals to, we have to write the number that is on a place. So here is 0. And then we have to multiply it with the cofactor. Then the next number along with sign, that is 1. And then multiply it with its cofactor, that is 1, 2. And then the third number, that is 3, along with its cofactor, that is -5. Sorry, A1. A1, 3. So here we already calculated the cofactors, but with these cofactors we are going to multiply the original numbers. For the first number we have written the number, then we multiply it with its cofactor, then along with its sign. Then we have written plus, there is a number +1, so I have written +1, then the cofactor of this number, and then +3, the cofactor of its number. Now we are going to write the values of these cofactors. So A determinant becomes, here we have just seen that there is 0, we can write just 0, but let's just put the value of the cofactor, and the value of the cofactor was 1. Then we have to write 1, and the next cofactor, that is 3. And then we have to write 3 and the last cofactor, that is -5. So here in case A determinant becomes, here 0 multiplied by anything, it becomes 0. 1 multiplied by 3, it becomes 3. And then we have plus minus minus. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. So here we only left with two numbers, that is 3 minus 15. So it becomes, here it is going to be subtracted and the sign will be of greater value. So A determinant becomes -12. So friends, this was all the method we are going to how to find the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let me summarize it for you. For 3 cross 3 matrix, we are going to expand either by the row or by the column. In this example, I have taken the row matrix. I expanded it by the row. For the row, I am just taking the first row. You can take any row, any column. In further, we are going to learn some different example, taking some different method, or I can take by row even or by column different. But this was the easiest, so I have taken the first row. Then we have to take the cofactor of the first row. So we have taken the cofactor of each element in the first row. We have taken the cofactor of 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then we have to write, for A determinant, we have to write the cofactor along with the original numbers, along with their signs. Here it was positive 0. So here we have written along with its cofactor, then the next number along with its cofactor, and the last number along with its cofactor. Then we have calculated the whole value. In this way, we have calculated the determinant of our matrix. Hope this video will be informative for you and you have learned how to calculate the determinant. And if you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in the next video. And on this video we are going to learn how to find the adjective and the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. Till then, take good care of yourselves and stay blessed.